Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be using the acrylic swipe technique to create the iris of an eye. I've been planning to do this for quite a while now, and in the meantime, Mii Paintings channel actually did one. So today's painting is going to be a combination of my initial plan along with some extra inspiration from Mii Paintings. On her channel, Mii Paintings used the dip technique to create the center of her eye, and then went on to paint on a lot of additional details, resulting in a very pretty looking eye. What I'm doing is using the swipe technique to create the iris, and then where I've been inspired by Mii Paintings is to add some shading to help finish off the eye. I've started off by laying down my various base colors, all of which are mixed in my usual swipe ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus 1 drop of silicone. All the paint colors, ratios, and supplies will be listed in the description box. And I'll also include a link to my inspiration video from Mii Paintings. I'm using ivory black to swipe. It's been mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water, and it doesn't contain any silicone. To swipe, I'm using pieces of plastic that I cut out of the wrapper that the canvas came packaged in. And I just cut them to the size that I wanted to work with. Now that the painting is dry, I'm going to add the pupil to the center of the eye by painting a circle using ivory black. I used the compass before this just to help create a pencil outline of where the circle should be so that I know where to paint. And now for the parts that were inspired by Mii Paintings. She shaded the outside of the iris a darker color, so I'm going to try that out too. I'm using phthalo blue to do that. I'm creating a dark edge, and then wetting my brush a little bit so that it's a little bit wet to help lighten up the color a little bit as you move closer to the center of the eye. And I'm just following the same process the whole way around the eye. Now I'm creating a bit of a light reflection on the eye using titanium white. This was also inspired by Mii Paintings. Her version was a lot more subtle and realistic, but this is kind of fun too. Now I'm going to use a white Posca pen just to help neaten up the edges a little bit. Here we go with a quick close-up. I really love the blue color around the edges. And overall, it was a kind of fun painting. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you would like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.